Hi there, so this is my review of the digital 40-inch 4-speed oscillating LED display tower fan with remote control and timer. This basically comes assembled. You get the whole big long tower that comes in a very big box, and the base on the bottom comes in two pieces as my photographs should show. You snap those pieces together, you open the lock nut that's at the bottom of the tower, put the base on, tighten the lock nut, and there you have it. It takes just a couple of minutes. One thing I would say is that, it may not be the sturdiest thing in town, and I think I have tightened the lock nut as much as you should, but it's not unbalanced, so it's fine. Everything is plastic here, just so you know. And so here's the control panel. Let's see if I can sharpen the image. Okay, you have 4 different settings of fans, low to high, and in between. You have some different modes. You have a steady fan mode, which just keeps the fan going as fan would. Oops, sorry. You have this night mode, which apparently starts out high and goes to the lowest. I don't really get whether that works with the timer or not yet. I haven't really figured that out. And then you have the Christmas mode. No, you don't. I'm just kidding. This is like a natural breeze mode, and it varies the intensity of the fan. It goes from the highest to the lowest over, I think, 90 seconds or something in cycles. So it kind of feels like a breeze outside. And that seems to work best with the rotation feature. Over here you have the clock or the timer, and I'll show you that in a little while, but that's very versatile. So these are the buttons: fan speed, breeze, timer, swivel, and on. You also have a lovely remote control, which actually comes with the batteries and does every function that the top of the fan does. So let's get this thing going and show you. You turn here and the fan goes on. We have low speed and we have regular fan. Let's see if you can hear the difference between the fan speed. There we go, that's 4. Now what I do have to say is that this is not a turbo fan, so don't expect a turbo fan. It's a decent airflow, but it's not one of these high-speed things. It's a comfortable fan. If you were standing on the far side of a room, you wouldn't probably directly feel the airflow, but it certainly moves the air. We'll keep it there. We'll then change this to night mode. And I don't know that you can really tell it decreasing right yet. It's very gradual. But if we do this, the natural mode, you will hear it throttle back eventually. I just don't want this video to go on forever, but it does. There we go. It does slow down. And then you can hit this, and the fan rotates. I'm going to stand back a little, and you can see it. You can also hear the variation in the airflow because it's on that natural thing. So it's real nice. It feels like a breeze. Now I'm going to use the remote so I can keep you watching. We're going to go for just the regular fan speed here. Oh, the other thing is it's pretty important to aim the remote control. See that? It almost goes down to nothing and comes back up. It's important to aim the remote control pretty directly at the sensor here, because if it's too far off, the fan won't see it. Okay, so we've got that. Now to show you the timer, it's a really cool timer because it goes 1 hour.
Here's this fan from Amazon. Has a series of controls. This is fan power. This is settings for the fan, variations in how it operates in the RPMs. Timer. Oscillation goes 90 degrees back and forth, on and off. Has a good flow from it. It's a good room fan. I'm rather impressed. I think it's nicer than the Pelonis I have. That's very similar.